Alright, go. Hello, James Trish. This is my new Max Action garbage truck. Check this out. And check this out. Now, guess what? This thing makes a lot of sound. This is the start and motion button. This is the start button. And also, this is the loading up feature. It's the loading feature. And you take this. And you do this. Then you roll it back down. You do this. And then you take this off, and then you're done. And also, if you guys got Pilou with you, yeah, spell her name. It's Pilou. And that's it.